This is Aaron Trader. It is Friday morning, TGIF. So as usual, we are going to do crude oil here and natural gas. Now remember, the rig count will be out today at 1 p.m. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil, your daily chart, natural gas here, your daily chart. Now, remember, August here is a very volatile month, not just for commodities here, but for the whole market. So you have to get used to that. Plus, in the United States here, we have election year. Okay, so everything is going to be really, really crazy. Now you can see what's been happening here with the Nasdaq. You know, one day it's just rallying high, next day it's down. Same way with the Dow. So what you want to do is remember, this is not a buy and hold scenario that we have going on right now. This is a trader's market. Okay, so if you only trade, like, say, long positions, that's fine, but just get out, you know, when you can. Don't worry about getting out at the top there and then try to buy as close as you can to the bottom. But it's a scalper's market here. But again, if you're like a two-way trader like I am, where you can take it on the short side, just use that to your advantage now. So just get prepared that this is going to be a wet and wild market. Okay, so just get used to that. Okay, let's talk about crude. Okay, so here we have the oil. Now, we had this big, nice green candle here, but you notice where it went right into that 200-day. This is why we trade the charts, okay? And then yesterday we had just a little bit of blurb, but you notice that it could not hold that 200-day, came right down and closed below that 8 simple moving average. That's not good. Now, today here so far, where did it go? Yeah, did it go above the 8 SMA? Yeah, but now see, you're below that. See how strong these simple moving averages are? And this all you got to do is just, you know, buy support and sell resistance. This is basically what you're doing here, okay? So we want to look here and see what the downside is. So far today, our low here is 76.28. Yesterday's low here was 76.24. So this is your support levels here going on right here. Okay, so far an inside day, but this is way early. We don't know what's going to happen. So this is what you want to watch is yesterday's low, that 76.24. Okay, if that is lost here, then we're going to be looking right here at that 76.04. That was key level here coming right across. Okay, and then, like, obviously if that is lost here, we can come here to this bottom of this candle. You're looking at 75.35, and we look here at 75.18, and then your big retest down here is 74.59 level. Okay, now again, if that is lost, that was a nice support level here off of this 74.33 here. See how nice that is? Okay, but again, if that's lost, then we're going to look to the bottom of this candle, 74.06 here, and then we're going to look right here at that 73.98, and then we have your 72.82, and then we're going to have right here of your 72.48 level here. But that's only if this 74.59 here is lost right on this candle here. Okay, so watch yesterday's low. That's going to be the very, very key. And then again, if we close below that, then we can just follow these candles down until we get down to your retest. Upside, this 8-day is everything, okay? We need to get back above this. Now you can see here where you went above it, and then just come right on down here. So 76.93, that's going to be the key. And then what we want to do is we want to look at today's high. You're looking at that 77.29 level. If we can rally up a little bit higher than that, then we have 77.69, and then we can come over here top of this candle. You got 78.19 level here, but realistically, what you're looking for is this 78.49. That is your 200 SMA here. Above that, we can look to yesterday's high. You had that 78.88 level, and then what we're going to do is we can look at that 50 SMA here at that 79.22. But right now, again, this 8-day is everything. Now the price is back below that 8-day. You can see this 21-day crossed over to 100-day, and looking for that 50 SMA here. So we got to see how this could be just a nice sideways action. We got to see how this is all going to shake up. But if you just watch yesterday's low, that's going to be very, very key, that 76.24. If that's lost, we follow candles down until you get that 74.59. Upside, just real easy here. You just look at that 76.93. Above that, we just follow the candles up, but your big target's going to be that 78.49 level here. So what you want to do is just trade this area here until she's going to break out either here down to the bottom level, or she's going to break the top level here. Okay, so I'll be looking for trades either way with the UCO or the SCO here going on the downside. Now, when we look here at your RSI, Well, there really isn't really much of a tail here. This here, the green is still below your red. It was trying to work itself up here on this big green candle, but never did it. So this is still bearish, and that's a sell signal going on. Okay, so let's take a look here at natural gas. Well, actually, this positive divergence here is still playing out here very nice, and it actually is getting a little bit better here because as this is going on the way down, see that wedge? It's almost like a wedge falling down. This is wedging up here. So it's going to be just a matter of time here for natty gas. Okay, so just be very, very patient with it because you have this is here is one signal that we want to watch. It's like a buying opportunity, and then we want to watch here because you have oversold conditions and you want to have this thing, the green cross above the red, then she can take it higher. So let's take a look here right here at the charts here. Now, yesterday we made this lower low again here, okay? So you finished down here all the way down to 1.96. Now, if you just look to the left of the chart here, okay, all what I've been pointing out here, okay? So you had 1.97, 1.95. So you're holding that level. The next level is 1.92, and then 1.9 is your retest here. That is your gap, okay? Then we can take these candles all the way down here, but realistically, your fill is 1.67. That would probably be your big target. Not probably, that is going to be your big target, okay? So today's low here so far, we have 1.962. And yesterday we had 1.965, so we put in just a little bit lower low. But you see this 8 SMA here, okay? See, now you're just at prices racing below, and it still is rolling right over. Same way to 21-day, the 50-day here, okay? So this is looking pretty ugly. However, if you can get above this key 8 simple moving average here, you're sitting at 2.04. So let's call that 2.05. Then we can just start rallying up to the top of these levels here. So you have 210 right there. We got 212. Then we have 213.5. Then this is what you're looking for here. This 21-day sitting at 2.16 level here. But what we have right now is we just have sideways action. Now, yesterday there was some really good trading in here. So as soon as that EIA report came out here, you can see where it rallied on up here, and then it just fell right on down. So that was a really good trade on the short side with the KOLD. I think KOLD had like a 10-point move on there yesterday. I didn't get the 10 points there because I trade many other things, but I got a good bulk of that. But also UNG was a good scalp here on the way up. But again, when it rallies up here and it can't hold the previous days, that tells you that she's going to come right on down. Then once you start losing this 8 SMA here, then you just want to hold on to the trade all the way down. Now, right now, I'm flat. I'm looking for some kind of a trade here, either long or short situation. Okay, that's what I'm looking for right now. So with the natural gas here, you got to be just a little patient, but you're coming into seasonality here about another month from now. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. So today here, this is what we want to watch. Is you want to watch this 1.96 level. I would say let's just watch this 1.95 level, which is right here at the bottom of that candle. And then this 1.9 level here. Okay, that's going to be your downside. The upside, this 8 SMA here is everything. Okay, that's sitting at roughly 2.05. If you can get above that, then we have your 21-day. That's what it is at 2.16. Now, again, this is a trader's market. I know I keep saying that, but that's exactly what this is. This is not where I buy and I hold kind of a situation. Just look for trades, look for opportunities, okay? That's what we're looking for here today to make some money. The key is if you start making money here like on Monday and then on Tuesday and Wednesday, by the time you get to Friday, okay, that is a lot of money added up here. So don't look for these big home runs, okay? And because that's just not going to work in this market. What you're looking for is singles and doubles. You know what I'm saying? If you're going to use a baseball theme, or you know what I'm saying, singles and doubles, okay? That's what you want to do. There was this guy that played for Detroit Lions here, Barry Sanders, and I thought he was one of the best running backs of all time. Of course, there's a lot of them, I say, but he was really good. And what he used to do is, and people don't realize, he actually lost a lot of yards, but then when he would break one off, he would get to that big score. That's not what you want to do in trading. What you want to do is just consistently make money every day, no matter if it's small or not. I don't care if you're, if you're making $100 or if you're making $10,000 a day. It doesn't really make a difference. But if you start on Monday, by the time you get to Friday, you're going to realize that wow, this is a lot of cash. And instead of trying to say I'm going to try to hit a home run here and all this kind of thing. So that's what you want to do. Consistent money. That's the key. Okay, I'll be back here for midday trading, and we're going to do crude oil and natural gas. We'll go a little bit more in depth on those with different charts, and then we'll find something else here that we always want to throw into the mix. Now remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want. Thanks for watching.